Monday, 5th of February 2024. Had a very good coffee at the cafe with Jude painted on the front window. Had a squiz at some shops, sprayed the plants. Little bugs and mites are everywhere on them. Fuck's sake. Cabbage moths were on my kale. Stay in your lane, at least, cabbage moths. Did a bunch of meal prep. I've got 5 protein-rich vegan meals packaged up in the fridge now. Made a lot of juice too. I drank some, and there's some left for myself and for Redacted in the morning. Played some Stitch. Had a beer and chilled. Did some weeding and lawn maintenance, watched Survivor, tried to do some DIY dental work but was unsuccessful. Bed, nice relaxing day. I have a few things on my mind, but I'm consciously putting them away from thinking about for the moment. Choosing to slow down a little and let things play out as they will anyway, with or without my fretting over them. Que sera, sera. Mood 7, energy 7, moods fine. Grateful, did some meal prep.